Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this front load LG washing machine. My customer's complaint was that it makes funny or weird noises, and I got here, this is the LG washer, the 10 years direct drive warranty on it. I spun the drum with my hand, nothing was happening, it was okay, and then I pressed the spin, soil level and power at the same time. It went to the diagnostic. Once it goes to the diagnostic, you can press the start button, and from there, every time you press it, it will go through all diagnostic procedures. So when it went to a spin cycle, it was making that rattling noise or funny noise. So I got to the back of the washing machine. It's a very tight space, but I tilted the washer to the back, and the stator is located there, and this cover that goes on top of the motor that has the magnet, these magnets on the sides. So there's this bolt. I opened this, my customer was helping me at the same time, and I got this piece out, and I can see inside it's totally worn out. There's supposed to be teeth that hold the back there, and it goes straight on top of this shaft. So unfortunately it's worn out here, it's totally slipping, it's slippery here, all the teeth are worn out, and that's my customer's main problem. The good part is that a customer bought this unit on 2010 September, and right now it's October 2019, and this part would be covered under warranty. If this part was not under warranty, the customer had to pay $254 plus tax. This is the part number 4417EA1002H as a hotel. So customer is going to contact LG, and they have to send a technician to replace this part for the customer, and that will take care of this problem. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Thank you.